Hi everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? The Dawn was planning of doing some steamed cabbage for breakfast, but then I said, you know what, let me just do a video on this steamed cabbage. So before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, and subscriber, I thank you all. Big up, big up, big up. Let's get started. 1 plum tomato, 1 onion, 1 carrot, quarter bell pepper, aka sweet pepper, the green one. You can use the red, the color, it doesn't really matter. Half a Scotch bonnet pepper, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and quarter teaspoon of salt. About 2 pound or 1.5 pound of cabbage, 1 tablespoon of cooking butter. This is a butter, and about 4 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using olive oil, but it doesn't matter, guys. You can use whatever oil you're comfortably using. So this cabbage, I already have this cut up. So let me just move it from the board. So before you look about the cabbage, you're gonna take off the outer portion. Like you look on it, any quail leaf or any leaf you see brown or whatever, you take off that part, and you just want to ensure that you rinse it under salt water. You put it in a bowl with some salt and you rinse that cabbage properly before you begin. So with my cabbage already prepared, as I said, we are just going to cut in it now. Before, this is the core of the cabbage. If you want, you can cut it out or you can cook it. You can just cut it up same way and steam it along. So with our cabbage looking like this on our board, so I just put everything together. I like to have my cabbage very fine. Just be careful of your finger and the knife. Don't worry about if the place get dirty. Yes, it have to get dirty. So now we're gonna put our cabbage. So with the carrot, you're just gonna scrape it. Scrape the outer side very thin. Or you have a vegetable peeler, you can just peel the outer part of the carrot. So I like to thread on the carrot. It doesn't matter which side of the grate or you want to grate the carrot, it doesn't really matter. I just like to see my carrot in the cabbage. If you don't have a carrot, don't worry, you can always steam the cabbage without the carrot. But I'm not using the fine part of the grater now. You see, this is the side I'm using. And we're just gonna add it to the cabbage. With the onion, I already peel it and rinse it. So now we're just gonna cut in on the onion. And I'm slicing the onion very thin. And it doesn't matter, you don't have any wrong or right way in cutting the onion. You can cut the onion anyhow you want to do it. And there is two ways to do this. You can either put it in the oil on the stove for it to caramelize, or you can put it in the cabbage. So I'm gonna put it on top of the cabbage. The pepper, Scotch bonnet, I already rinsed it. You don't want to use a seed, so you're just gonna cut, and you're gonna cut away the seed from it. Remember, you don't want to use too much pepper, or you don't want this thing too hot where you cannot eat it. So this is a seed, we don't need that. Because I'm gonna add a little black pepper, so you don't need all of this. Sweet pepper. And the tomato. Any bruises, you just want to just take off those. You're gonna chop the tomato. So with the tomato and the onion, you can put that first in the pot with the oil and let it caramelize together. But or you can put it on top of the cabbage, just like this. I'll leave back the sweet pepper. I'm gonna put your little black pepper and the salt on, and I like to, with clean hands, you're just gonna rub. I like to rub everything in the cabbage. I like to rub out, smash out the tomato and everything inside that cabbage, guys. The aroma is in the air. You can smell the onion, that Scotch bonnet pepper. And then when you finish rub it, you're just gonna let it sit there just for 5 minutes. You don't have to, but you can just let it rest for 5 minutes. We're gonna light the stove and we're gonna put a pot on so it can eat it, and then we put our oil in. In the oil, I'm just gonna add the butter. We're just gonna give it 1 minute so the butter melted inside, and now you're gonna scoop the cabbage and put in. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. So when B-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And please let me know from where you are watching this video from. So you put the cabbage in, it's so beautiful looking, guys. And we're just gonna place the lid on so the cabbage can strike some water, some steam. You don't add any water to your cabbage. So just place lid on just for 2 minutes, and I'll be back after 2 minutes. So guys, it is 2 minutes and it's time to check in on the cabbage. So now you're gonna turn. Just gonna spin it around. And you just need a medium heat the stove, medium, low. You don't need too much fire underneath the cabbage because it will burn. What you need it to do for it to make its own juices. So see it's steaming nice. You know, if you want, you can eat your cabbage just like this, but I just like to have my cabbage steam a little more. So normally I give this like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna place back the lid on. And the cabbage is something that shrink and it make its own juices, so don't add any water whatsoever to it. I want to put the sweet pepper in, or your bell pepper. I'm just gonna cover, so I'm giving it what, 7 more minutes. Next 7 minutes, and we're just gonna stir on our cabbage, our steamed cabbage. At this time, guys, you can always taste the cabbage to see if you need to add some more salt. So looking at our cabbage, you notice no water is swimming in the pot. You see, guys, no water is swimming in the pot. That's how you steam your cabbage. You must not put water on the cabbage. The cabbage make its own steam. All you need to do is just turn the fire down on a low heat and cover the pot and steam your cabbage. I hate when I go out and our people give me cabbage and you see all this soup swimming in it. No, that's not, I don't know what is that. So looking at our cabbage, and you don't want it too soft, so we're gonna turn this fire off. So remember, taste to see if it needs salt. If you want to put a little more black pepper, whatever. Tastes perfect for me. So let us turn the fire off, but don't leave, please. Don't go away yet. So beautiful people, look at this. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Our steamed cabbage is now ready for eating. And you know, you can sprinkle even a little carrot on it. You can put a little onion right in the middle, just like that. And you know what you can have your steamed cabbage with? You can have it with a piece of bread. You can make a sandwich. You can have it with rice and bean. You can have it with green banana. You can have it with whatever you want to have it with. So this is my steamed cabbage. I make a sandwich with it. Give it a try. Steamed cabbage. It's so healthy and looking delicious. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? So why not? Why not? Give it a try. I thank you one and all. I love you. Please continue to take care of each other and take care of yourself. I see you again on the next one. And remember, this is our steamed cabbage sandwich, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna bite in this now, guys. OMG, I'm telling you guys, so delicious. So thank you again, and please take care. Peace and love. Bye for now.